Welcome to this video on mastering statistical programming. We will explore how to use hypothesis testing, ANOVA, and robust alternatives to shield your analytics from catastrophic errors. We begin with the crisis of false discoveries, perfectly illustrated by the chronological reversal paradox. A flawlessly executed, peer-reviewed study once proved that listening to a Beatles song literally made participants 1.5 years younger, despite that being physically impossible. This perfect study, with a p-value of less than 0.05, exposed a critical flaw in traditional statistical thresholds. This leads us to the multi-million Mirage, where premature stopping traps create false illusions of success. In reality, the vast majority, 70% of A/B test experiments yield pure null effects with no actual impact. The cost of peaking is high. Continuously tracking and stopping tests early artificially inflates the false discovery rate to a devastating 42% on major marketing platforms, as shown in a study of over 2,400 A/B tests. To conduct robust analysis, we must move beyond the spreadsheet ceiling. Microsoft Excel is capped at roughly 1 million rows and frequently crashes under heavy mathematical workloads, producing error-prone and hard-to-audit workflows through manual operations. By transitioning to code-based Python environments like scipy and statsmodels, you enable completely reproducible data pipelines, automated error corrections, and infinite data scaling capacity. The foundation of statistical programming begins with the presumption of innocence, formerly known as the null hypothesis. This is the baseline presumption that no effect or relationship exists. Crucially, your analytical output, the p-value, is not the probability that the null is true. Instead, it measures the likelihood of obtaining data this extreme, assuming the null is entirely correct. When evaluating standard marketing campaigns, such as A/B testing, we use two-sample t-tests to compare group means. This requires assessing whether the noise or standard variance within each group explains the signal, which is the difference between campaign averages. This fundamental test is easily executed in Python, using libraries like scipy.stats. The lottery ticket fallacy occurs when performing multiple pairwise t-tests, which exponentially inflates your family-wise error rate. Just 6 tests can drive your false positive risk to over 26%. ANOVA is the solution for scaling safely. It evaluates all groups simultaneously in one step, effectively keeping your global type 1 error rate locked at 5%. Because ANOVA is non-specific, we use post-hoc tests like Tukey's HSD. It allows for surgical isolation of the winning campaign while maintaining statistical control. If your data violates standard assumptions, follow these 4 steps: perform a normality check, test for homogeneity, apply Welch's ANOVA, or use the Kruskal-Wallis test for skewed distributions. When extreme outliers shatter your model's assumptions, non-parametric tests like Kruskal-Wallis provide a robust path forward by analyzing ordinal rankings instead of raw data. Take command of your analytics today. Stop running statistics blindly and master these core mechanics to protect your business decisions from false positives.